Check out that Falvia. I'm gonna move up here to the clownfish and the anemone. I really like that flow that the anemones have on them. Let's go back up here. And it's kind of covered up. That one, that one, that one. Falvia is always cool. Some snow rockets. Horned coral. I don't know what that is. That is cool. Couple more acros. Monty. There's a sea pan. And green star polyps. And zinnias. Zinnias. That's some macroalgae. That purple stuff. It's pretty cool, I guess. A couple of polyps. More on this side, all down here. See nothing there. Just going around to the back. Got the coat coral, he's doing alright. I've had him for a while, so. Just hopefully my acros keep on growing. There's that one. We'll end with this bad boy.